This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Petra Tucker. Beautifully maintained 2 BDR plus loft condo in popular Kiln Creek with a water view. Open and airy floor plan with vaulted ceilings and fireplace. The eat-in kitchen features quartz countertops and has lots of upgraded cabinets. The first floor bedroom is great size and has lots of closet space. The second floor bedroom can also be used as a primary bedroom, and the loft is large and overlooks the great room. Hardwood flooring throughout the first level and new carpets are on the second level. There is a nice sunroom with lots of windows to overlook the water view for serene living. Amenities include pool, clubhouse, tennis courts, playground, and much more. December 27, 2024. For more information, review the details below.